Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you spent any time watching my channel, then you know that I absolutely love Linux Mint. I'm a self-confessed Linux Mint fanboy. It is my favorite distro. However, it's not the dream distro that I've been thinking about. And so today I'm going to be talking about the perfect Linux distro, and I'm going to put it in a world where there are basically no limits. Okay, so these things might never happen. And it really comes down to three main things. The first thing that this perfect Linux distro would have is full compatibility with any Linux distro. So whether you are using a Red Hat based one where it's RPM files, Debian based Deb, or you're using Ubuntu snaps, it doesn't matter, it'll work 100%. And so Ubuntu is on the way to get there with their snap apps, but we're not quite there yet. So that's the first thing. And the second thing this distro would have is superior driver support. So I think a lot of longtime Linux users understand that this is a real pain point, especially when it comes to drivers for graphics cards, printers, and even Wi-Fi to this day with certain hardware. And I know a lot of this is really down to the manufacturers, but this would be something that would make it an absolutely awesome distro. And then the final thing, and this is probably the biggest thing of them all, this is where the whole fantasy dream stuff comes in, where I don't think this is ever going to happen. This distro would have some type of advanced compatibility layer that will allow you to run any Windows or Apple Mac program 100%. And so that would make it the completely perfect Linux distro and probably the most perfect operating system out there, in my opinion. So those are my thoughts, my fantasy, my dreams on the perfect Linux distro. If you had any of your own thoughts, what would be the perfect Linux distro for you? Be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.